Oh, baby donkey, it's a nice day out.
Go, Gaga.
Well, this farming equipment is good, mate. Bip, bip. But I do wonder.
Gaga.
What is that red bird doing?
Gaga.
That red bird. Wow.
Gaga. Gaga. Gaga.
That's peculiar. Peculiar.
Go, Gaga.
I know, baby donkey. I meant to say peculiarly.
Go, Gaga.
Peculiar.
Go.
Wait, why is the peculiar red bird flying at us?
Gaga. 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 Gaga.
Oh, baby donkey. Baby donkey.
Gaga. 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 Gaga.
Baby donkey.
Go, Gaga.
Okay, red donkey. What do you want from me?
Gaga.
I don't know what you want from me. I'm just an ogre.
Gaga. Gaga.
I'm sorry, red donkey. I don't have your money.
Gaga.
I'm sorry. I don't have your money, red donkey.
Gaga. 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 Gaga.
You're calling for a big red donkey. What does that mean?
Go, Gaga. Go, Gaga. Go, Gaga. Go, Gaga. Go. Go, go.
Baby donkey, it's you.
Go, Gaga. 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 Gaga.
Baby donkey, he keeps calling for big red donkey.
Gaga.
I know, I don't know what that means, but it could mean something big. Bam, bam, bam.
Go, Gaga.
I know that was ridiculous. Wait, what is that? It's a big red donkey.
Gaga. Gaga. Gaga.
Yeah, kaka, 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 kaka. It's a big red donkey, just like the other little donkey said.
Gaga.
It's calling for the little one.
Gaga. Gaga. Gaga, 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 gaga.
We don't have your money, baby. I know your name's not Mimi, but I don't have your money, big red donkey.
Gaga, gaga.
I'm sorry, baby donkey.
Ba
You know that this is the stupidest video I've ever made, but I was really bored, so I was just like, hey, you know what would be fun? Let's make a Shrek video. But what do I make a video of? Lola, where'd you go? So I was looking through my toy bin, and I found the big red angry bird, big red donkey, and the little red bird, little red donkey. So I was like, I could make an Angry Birds video. Woo, that would be a great idea. But guess what? It wasn't. So dislike this video if you want your life, because you deserve to dislike this video, because it was a waste of 6 minutes. That's a reasonable time for this video. Yeah. So dislike this video, please. And I'm Sam the Sloth. Goodbye. Say bye, Lola. Bye, Ruff Ruff. Okay. And there's my shadow. Hi guys. Okay. Bye. I'm Sam the Sloth. And dislike. Bebe donkey. And yes, my Shrek voice has gotten substantially worse. But whatever, bye.